Hello guys. This is class number 15. So let's start. Good morning, Mrs. Jean. Bonjour, Madame Jean. Good morning, Mrs. Jean. Bonjour, Madame Jean. Good morning, Mrs. Jean. Bonjour, Madame Jean. How may I help you today? Comment ka aider aujourd'hui? How may I help you today? Comment ka aider aujourd'hui? How may I help you today? Comment ka aider aujourd'hui? I don't feel okay. I feel bad. I need to see a doctor. Mwen pa sentim bien. Mwen bezwen wè dokter. I feel bad. I need to see a doctor. Mwen pa sentim bien. Mwen bezwen wè dokter. I feel bad. I need to see a doctor. Mwen pa sentim bien. Mwen bezwen wè dokter. Okay, Mrs. Jean, please take a seat. Okay, Madame Jean, s'il vous plaît, chita. Okay, Mrs. Jean, please take a seat. Okay, Madame Jean, s'il vous plaît, fonti chita. Okay, Mrs. Jean, please take a seat. Okay, Madame Jean, s'il vous plaît, fonti chita. Where do you have pain, Mrs. Jean? Ki kote ka fò mal, Madame Jean? Where do you have pain, Mrs. Jean? Ki kote ki a fò mal, Madame Jean? Where do you have pain, Mrs. Jean? Ki kote ki a fò mal, Madame Jean? My back is hurting me very much. Do ma fè mal anpil. My back is hurting me very much. Do ma fè mal anpil. My back is hurting me very much. Do ma fè mal anpil.